In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to make a salami rose for our charcuterie board. So I have some salami here from the deli that I had them cut for me, and it's really simple. All I'm going to do is take a cup, and you can do this with any size cup. I want smaller roses because it's not a huge amount of people that are coming tonight, so I'm going to do small ones. You could do larger ones. But basically, you want to take your salami and you want to start to rim the glass. So you can see I'm slightly overlapping, and I am putting almost cutting it in half, pretty much in half. And I'm just going to keep doing that all the way around my cup. And I'm going to keep filling it in and filling it in until it gets nice and thick with lots of petals. When I do the next row, I'm going to overlap where the two petals come together here. So I'm going to overlap and do my next row. So basically what we're doing is we're building an upside down flower with our salami. Who knew? So just keep going. The art of charcuterie. So fun. And you can see it's starting to fill that center in. So I'm just going to keep going. And that looks about good. So all we're gonna do is flip it over, take the top off, and you have a really, really cute salami flower. So I'm going to probably do, I don't know, I'll probably do 3. If I didn't, we'll see how many I can have that, but how cute is that? Salami, little salami rose, so pretty. We'll just keep going and I'll do another one. Check and see where we're at. That looks pretty good. Another little flower. So I have another little cup here that I can do. You can see it's a lot smaller, which will work really good for these leftover pieces. So let's get a nice round one here and just do the same thing. And this way you have varying sizes of your little salami flowers. You got a big one, you got a little one, or a big one, a medium one, and then we'll have this cute little one. Cute. There we go. And I've got enough left over to enjoy. So there you have it. We've got our little flower salami stacks. So I want to keep building my charcuterie board. So I'm going to begin really layering and building my charcuterie board. So I've got my salami. I've got this reserved for some olives. I'm going to put in there. And then these two little ones are going to be for some different types of nuts. I've got some fruit here, some strawberries and some grapes. I've got some bell peppers, and then I have a variety of cheeses, as well as some crackers and some pretzels. So I'm going to start layering this in. So I've got a little Gouda here that I will cut. Some Vermont white cheddar. I have some Irish cheddar. I'm gonna leave this on so it's a little more identifiable. Put this one over here. A little goat cheese here with some blueberries. Some goat cheese here with some wild blueberries, lemon, and thyme. Put him right here. Bring this a little closer to me. Bring these out. These are nuts over olives, so they're almonds. Bear, be quiet. So these are nuts over olives. They're almonds, cashews, pecans, and olives. And then I've got some cashews, some almonds and pistachios with a little bit of sea salt. Put this around, put this a little closer, and I'm gonna put my olives in here. This is a mix of pitted olives. So it's got all kinds of different olives in here. It's an Italian mix. Garlic in there as well. Got some crackers. I'm gonna go through and pull out the broken ones. I'm just gonna take this, my little boat over, some crackers right here, just like so. I'm gonna tuck in some fruit or some veg here and there. Just do a little more here. Got some grapes. Put those right there. And then I got some pretzels here for St. Patrick's Day that I'm just going to kind of put here and there. St. Patty's Day. I'm gonna tuck this guy right here. There we go. Tuck a few strawberries in here and there. Put one right here. Put one over here. One in right back here. And I think that is it. I'll add some spoons some knives, and you've got yourself a really quick and easy and festive charcuterie board. Perfect for St. Patty's Day or any time of the year. You could swap out the pretzels for other things to make it super festive.